Dahil sa iyo at sa amang anak natin, naunawaan ko ang tunay na ibig sabihin ng pagmamahal.
Ang swerte-swerte ko kasi mahal na mahal mo.
Neri at Chito Miranda muling nagpakasal sa ikalawang pagkakataon, isinakto sa ika-10th wedding anniversary nila. Marami nga ang pinaiyak at ginulat na mag-asawa dahil sa hinabahaba ng pagkakataon at panahon sila pa rin hanggang ngayon. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Agad ngang isinare ni Chito Miranda ang kanilang wedding ceremony. Sabi niya dito, sa wakas, okay lang na medyo na-delay. Ang importante, natuloy. Hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. I'm not going anywhere at habang buhay naman tayong magsasama. Hindi kita pababayaan. Happy 10th anniversary asawa ko. Tag team, partners for life. Isa nga sa pinakamagaling na stylist, si Gideon Hermosa ang kanilang kinuha para iayos ang kanilang wedding. Sabi nga ni Gideon Hermosa, "Your love is still as strong since the first day I met both of you. This is so special. How lucky are we to see all this and design this day for you. To many more happier times."
Thoughts racing through my head. I try to capture.
Marami nga ang nagkomento sa kasalang Neri Miranda at Chito Miranda at nagpaabot ng mga greetings sa mag-asawa. Sabi dito ng nice print photography. What a beautiful way to honor your love and your marriage. Best wishes guys, we all love you. Day one to forever, we'll always be here. Mula sa mga tagahanga ng mag-asawa, hindi pa din nagbagong pagtingin ko sa kanya. Siya pa din yung madiskarteng wais na misis na sobrang bilib na bilib ako. Yes, I never doubt about it kasi I am like her. I am very generous person but the people who betrayed me because of money were my siblings. However, the blessing never stopped coming into my path. Like Neri, she never falls because she has God who protect of a person who has a big heart. Mula sa isa pang fans nila, sabi dito, hindi ko alam ba't ako naiyak. The song is exactly a reflection of your love story. Sana lahat ng married couple kumakapit kahit ang hirap-hirap na. Nagtitiwala kahit ubos na. Happy anniversary!
Love you. Dahil sa iyo at sa amang anak natin, naunawaan ko ang tunay na ibig sabihin ng pagmamahal.
Ang swerte-swerte ko kasi mahal na mahal mo ko. And even in my moments of doubt, you love me harder.
Sabi pa nga ng mga tagahanga nila kung bakit sila naiyak. Ako din, ewan ko ba bakit ako naiyak, pero believe ka din, no? Dami na nilang pinagdaanan, sinubok ng tagahana, but yet they're still strong together. God bless you both. Sinong kagaya ko na laging umiiyak pag nakakapanood ng kasal ng iba kasi punong-puno ng love pag may kinakasal. Congratulations, Neri and Chito Miranda. Sabi pa ng isang commenter, hindi ko pa naririnig yung vows pero grabe naiyak ako kasi ang strong na relationship nila sa mga hirap na pinagdaanan nila. Mula din sa isa pang commenter, ba't ako naiyak? Grabe, ang saya pong tignan ng family nyo. Congratulations po to more anniversaries to celebrate. Ginulat ang mundo. Sa kabila ng lahat, solid talaga. Through thick and thin. Indeed, true lover never fails. Naiyak ako. Love is patient, love is kind, and is not jealous. Love does not brag and is not arrogant. Does not act unbecomingly. It does not seek its own. It's not provoked. Thus, not take into account a wrong suffered. Does not rejoice in unrighteousness, but rejoices with the truth. Bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never fails. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 4-8. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Congratulations. Grabe talaga ang naging kasalang Chito at Neri Miranda. Talagang marami ang pinaluha at pinaiyak dahil nga sa mga pinagdaanan ng mag-asawa, talagang sila pa rin hanggang sa huli. Napakatibay ng pinagsamahan ng mag-asawa at talagang ginagawa ni Chito Miranda ang lahat para kay Neri, lalong-lalo na ng mga huling trials nila. Talagang dinanas nila ang pagsubok at ito ay nalagpasan naman nila. Tuwan-tuwa ang mga fans nila. My power couple. Love you Sir Cheats and Miss Neri. Ang saya-saya ng puso ko para sa inyo. Thank you for making us a part of this. Mahal ko kayo hanggang dulo. Mula sa isang supplier ng mag-asawa. At mula naman sa isang commenter, congrats po. Grabe, bilib na bilib talaga ako sa inyong mag-asawa. Sinubok na ng panahon pero nandiyan pa rin, patuloy na lumalaban. God bless. Happy anniversary, Chito and Neri. Nakakaiyak naman talaga. Grabe, nanonood lang naman ako pero bakit tumutulo ang luha ko? Congratulations, deserved. Kitang-kita naman how much you both love each other and how you nothing try to work through the difficult times. I am a solid Neri fan and I truly admire how she does her best to learn, to explore, and how she takes chances. Ang sweet naman ni Chito. He knows his wife and he knows that she deserves this 10th celebration after all she endured. Keep on crying watching this because I can relate me and my husband. We've been married for 15 years and our love is getting stronger and closer to God. God is the center of our marriage. Congratulations, grabe ang iyak ko. Living here in USA with my beautiful family. Have one son and very loving, responsible and God-fearing man. Sobrang ganda ng story nyo, very uplifting. I don't care what other people has to say. Your love for each other is the strongest. You are so loved. Neri Miranda.